In the heart of innovation and craftsmanship, a vision was born, one that would transform the world of kitchen design forever.
Working with the best designers and architects and builders in the city allows us to be in the forefront because we are working with the best of the best people in the industry.
When I first met Marwan, I realized I met someone that's kind of like a lifelong friend. He and I are very much alike. I think we worry about the same things. We want to prove ourselves and we want to show that we're the best. And when you're like that, I think those type of people seem to be around a lot longer. And ironically, 25 years later, we're still here doing the same thing. And every day's our battle, but we seem to get it done. And that's why we're still together.
Building the brand takes building relationships. And so today we have designers and builders and architects that we've been working with for 30, 40 years.
I usually go to Cameo when I'm working on a large scale build because I know they have the capacity and the skill to handle these larger projects.
And you know, what really excites me too a lot is that the residual aspect of it. It's building residual. It's not just about today, it's building a relationship. So we're doing some projects now, or residential projects that are second or third generation.
What I really like about them is their attention to detail is fantastic. The people that represent Cameo at their showroom are very customer friendly and bend over backwards for their clients.
I'm still excited about what I do and what we do, but I don't do it on my own. I do it with a team, wonderful Cameo team. It takes links to create a chain. When someone asks me to define Cameo, an old story comes to mind, which I'd like to share with you. A client of mine who loves fashion once said to me, "Marwan, a Cameo kitchen is like a Chanel jacket." I guess she owns a few Chanels. And that made me think, what do you mean? She says, "Marwan, it starts with the fit, the buttons, the fabric, how it all comes together. And of course, it's a Chanel." She was describing Chanel as Cameo. Why? Because of the fit, because of the handles, of the hardware, and the way it all comes together. To her, it was a piece of fashion. So even as a 24-year-old, back then when I started, I was very excited of the potential of what we can do in the industry and what the industry needed. And so building a brand was very important to me, just as important as building great cabinetry. I'm truly grateful for the 40 years of our success, and I look forward to continue our legacy.
Cameo Kitchens, where your vision becomes our legacy.